Welcome back to Pesce's Kitchen. So today I want to teach you a little secret to making the best French toast you can ever have. Okay, when I worked back in my days in Williams-Sonoma, I learned how to make this French toast and it changed my life. So we're going to be using a Panettone bread. Usually you use a challah bread, but Panettone has all these different fruits in them, and it's a sweet Italian bread that makes for the perfect eggy French toast bread. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll open this up. I'll show you what it looks like. Now, Panettone is not cheap. It's a very expensive bread. We paid $9.99 for this bread. Normally I don't like to pay for anything because I know how things are made and I know what things cost. But it's Thanksgiving and we have to celebrate all that we're thankful for. So it's going to come wrapped in this baking liner, which we're just going to pull right off. There's going to be a piece of it on the bottom here. Just take your knife. There you go, perfect. Pull it right off. So this is the star of the show, and we'll cut this open in just a little bit and we'll show you what it looks like. To a mixing bowl, we're going to add in some almond milk. You can use heavy cream and milk. I'm using almond milk because I can't have dairy. We're going to add in about 3 tablespoons of white sugar. We're going to add in about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. A couple dashes, maybe a half a teaspoon or half a tablespoon. Let's do a half a tablespoon of cinnamon. And we're going to add in 3 eggs. And we'll give that a whisk. Break up the eggs. A good French toast should be a balance of sweet and maple leaf flavors with a hint of cinnamon. It should be slightly custardy, so eggy. Give it a really good whisk. Break up all that cinnamon. All right, now we're going to open up the Panettone bread. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Usually I would like to slice it this way, so you have pie shapes, but I'm going to show you we're going to go this way, long ways. Use a bread knife anytime you're cutting through bread. And here we go. We want to make about 1/2 inch thick pieces. And you can see the fruits, the dried fruit. That yellow hue is perfect. And it just smells so sweet. It smells like Panettone bread. It's a little thicker than I wanted it, but we'll make it work. Now let's give it a taste. It's sweet, it's balanced, it has candied orange peel in it, so you can taste that orange zest. Really, really good. And the best part, there's no nuts in this bread. It is just sunflower seeds. Let's see, we got flour, raisins, butter, sugar, candied orange peel, about 10% of it's candied orange peel, eggs, milk. It does have wheat in it, obviously, it's a flour. I mean, this is phenomenal. It's imported directly from Italy. Let's get right to it, because this is, if I don't start the cooking process, I'm I'm just gonna sit here and eat all that. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this in half. And now, I'm gonna add some clarified butter to the pan. If you haven't seen my video on clarified butter, check out that video. But clarified butter is just butter with all the milk solids removed, so it doesn't burn. Give us that nice sear. See, now if you had added butter to that already, it would be burning. Clarified butter gives us a much higher smoke point, which means it can handle a much higher temperature. Now, bread in, give it a second, let it soak up, and then real simple. This part down first. You want that good sear, because what that's going to do is it's going to now cook that custard we just made. You can smell it. It's so sweet. Look at that. Nice even brownness. And it takes just a few seconds. It doesn't take that long to get that nice golden brown that we're looking for. Flip it over. All right, we're just gonna pick it up, bring it onto the plate, and we're gonna start to assemble it. Right on like that. Now we'll just add some powdered sugar to it. Coat every piece. Add as little or as much as you want to the powdered sugar. I like a decent amount of powdered sugar. I want to taste it. And then we're going to top it with some maple syrup. All right, we'll grab a fork and let's give it a taste. Get some maple syrup on it. Wow. You can taste the candied orange peel, the hint of cinnamon, the balance of sweetness with the maple syrup. I mean, it is and it will always be my favorite French toast. All those years of teaching culinary classes at Williams-Sonoma trained me for this day. And it's balanced. It's not over sweet. It's perfect. So we're gonna, hopefully you'll join us for part 2 of our Thanksgiving feast. But if you want to be part of an awesome community where you learn how to cook delicious food like this and other great tasting recipes, now's the time to hit that subscribe button. If you saw what you liked and you thought what you liked was amazing, hit that like button and come join. Come be part of our growing community here.